If you're looking for the best car alarm, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started.
At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals.
Number 1. Most popular. CarLock 2nd Gen Advanced Real-Time 3G Car Tracker. For folks who simply don't like complicated diagrams of connecting one's remote car starter and security system on one's vehicle, the CarLock is a great option. It's a smartphone app car alarm system that utilizes the OBD2 data link connector on your vehicle. Its plug-and-play design allows for exceptional convenience in getting the system up and running in no time. Sensors via the CarLock OBD2 unit can monitor unusual vibrations or even tampering with the unit, giving you instant notification. It even monitors on-road driving dynamics such as hard acceleration and braking, sharp cornering and turning, and many more. Number 2. Viper 5706V two-way car security with. Apart from the mile-away range, the Viper 5706V also comes with the slimmest remote display you will find. The icons on its large LCD screen show you the temperature of the car after remote ignition. The text labels on the LCD screen are clear and visible, making the Viper 5706V quite easy to use. If you prefer a silent alarm mode, this unit comes with a feature that lets you silence your car's siren. This means that all alerts will come through to the remote. Number 3. Python 5706P Responder LC3 SST two-way security. Like many car owners, this car alarm system provides the best value for your money as it is highly durable and with exceptional expansion capabilities. Perhaps the best part of the Python is that it has a 1-mile radius of wireless connection, giving you the kind of feedback you need regarding the status of your vehicle even if you're a mile away. It comes with a variety of sensors, all of which can be individually adjusted for their sensitivity levels. Number 4. Pyle PWD701 4-button remote door lock vehicle security system. If you are looking for a car alarm system with a variety of programmable features, look no further than the Pyle car alarm security system. It comes with an anti-carjack feature that allows you to monitor the doors of your car while the ignition is still on. This unit comes with a siren capable of 120 decibel output. This is sufficient volume to scare off car burglars. It also comes with a built-in relay for parking lights. As if that is not enough, the unit comes with remote transmitters with 2 operation modes, that is, the level-shifted mode as well as the standard mode. Number 5. SAFETYON RV Keyless Entry System Car Alarms Remote. Owners of larger vehicles like campers and trailer trucks don't have to feel less secure anymore with the SAFETYON fully replacing their standard door locks. What is quite exceptional about this car security is that it features a deadbolt-like mechanism, ensuring optimum security for your vehicle. Would-be car thieves would have to really sweat it out to pry the door open. It's like turning your vehicle's door into a secure bank vault opening, complete with a programmable password security code. For more details, click on the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.